let's make some Fante with banku. For this fisherman stew, I use fresh tilapia and red snapper, but you can also use shrimps or any other fish of your choice. Here we blend all these ingredients, so we have garlic, onion, ginger, bonnets, and my amazing sangofa spices, along with some fish seasoning, and I don't use salt because my fish is already salty. We can also adjust this later. So half of this mixture goes into the marinade. And as you see here, I wrap it and I put it in the fridge for at least 1 hour. The longer you marinate it for, the better. And then the rest of the mixture would be the base of my stew. So here I add the tomatoes, and here you see my husband struggling to get out this zombie. The weather is so cold right now, so that's completely normal. And then we fry some red onions on it, slowly adding the base of my stew with the tomato. Now this needs to cook for at least 30 minutes before we put our fish, and here I'm adding some more flavor with crayfish and some also smoked shrimp. We cover it because you know the tomato is going to spill everywhere. While this cooks, we prepare our banku. Now this recipe is so easy. So 1 cup of cassava flour to 2 cups of corn dough. The secret about the perfect banku is to mix everything together in a bowl and break down any lumps before you add it back on the pot and on the fire. In the meantime, after the 30 minutes I saw my stew was ready, so I added the fish and the remaining of the marinades. I gave it a good stir and then I covered it again to cook, adding 1 more scotch bonnet because we like it spicy. And now my banku mix has no lumps, so I'm going in with 2 cups of water and slowly adjusting the fire while stirring, and this is going to be the result after 35 minutes of pounding. You need to constantly keep stirring it until you reach this consistency. I was filming this, my hands were burning. This was so hot. You can let it definitely cool down a little bit, and you can create those balls by wrapping them in clear wrap. So here you see all my banku ready. It makes 4 portions, and here is my fish garnished with a bit more red onions, and it was ready and delicious. If you like this recipe, leave a comment below and follow for more.